Tags are used to help with transaction categorization and reconciliation. Tags are needed for various apps for seamless syncing. Certain apps will automatically sync over your expense accounts. To get started, click on the Business Settings tab on the left navigation menu, and then on the Tag Manager tab. Click on Add Tag. On the Add Tag page, type a name for your tag. For example, you can name it Accounts. This is what your cardholders and other administrators will see. It is optional to enter a description, but for this example, let's put the description as Expense Accounts. Choose whether or not the new tag is required. When the required checkbox is checked, cardholders will be required to add the tag before they can submit a new transaction for review. Choose a tag type, which determines how the tag will be shown to the cardholder. A tag type can be set as yes/no. A yes/no tag will be shown as a checkbox. A text tag can be validated as none, numeric, alphabetic, and alphanumeric. The dropdown is a list display. The decimal choice is a free form field. Sales tax is a free form field. We will use dropdown in this example. To add an option, click Add a new option. The display as entry is what the cardholder sees as the name of the tag. For example, office supplies. The option value is often an account number, though not always. The cardholder does not see the option value. All option values must be unique. You'll receive a duplicate entry error if the option values are not unique. Enable or disable options by toggling the circle. Toggle right for enabled, toggle left for disabled. Disabled options will not be visible to the cardholder. You cannot save your tag without adding an option and enabling it. Click the blue Create a Tag button to create the tag and the options you added.